Evil is everywhere in this world, and someone could be lurking to get you at any given time. So today we're going to talk about the top 5 things that you could be carrying to help save your life. Hey guys, my name is Trey Miller, and today we're going to be talking about the top 5 items that you can use for everyday carry, or EDC, that can help save your life besides firearms. Coming in at number 5 is an IFAK, or Individual First Aid Kit. When a life-threatening emergency occurs, whether from an automobile accident or an active shooter or an individual attack, the most likely person to be first on the scene is a civilian. Most IFAKs are contained in small sewn pouches that have room for like band-aids and other first aid items, but their main purpose is to treat severe trauma at the point of injury. Making your IFAK heavier and bulkier by adding minor first aid treatments is therefore not commonly recommended. But when it comes to an IFAK, the simpler the contents, the faster they can be assessed and effectively applied. Like I said, guys, they come in different sizes of pouches. You can put your backpack, a purse, keep in your vehicle, wear in your ankle. But these are extremely important to be that first responder, the first on the scene. So guys, make sure you go get our number 5 on the list, an IFAK, or Individual First Aid Kit. Coming in at number 4 on the list for EDC carry items is pepper spray. Now, when it comes to non-lethal self-protection, pepper spray is almost impossible to beat. Whether you needed to fend off an assailant or frighten an animal or whatever the situation, you can carry pepper spray with confidence knowing that it's going to help you out in that situation. It's a powerful substance that contains a derivative of cayenne pepper. When sprayed in the eyes, it will cause an excruciating burning sensation, incapacitating an attacker and allowing for a safe getaway. It's also important to remember that pepper spray is legal in all 50 states, but some states might have regulations on potency and all of that. Pepper spray is great to put in a purse, a backpack, a pocket, a keychain, anything and everywhere you go. You should be able to carry pepper spray very easily. If you're not able to carry a gun or a knife or anything like that, pepper spray is probably the best way to fend off an assailant. So guys, go check out our number 4 on the list, pepper spray. Coming in at number 3 on the list is a tactical flashlight. Now, there have been so many advances in technology over the last few years that really have kind of transformed the flashlight into a valuable multi-purpose tool. Obviously, lighting a surface up is a primary purpose of a flashlight, to help you find a key or see around corners or anything that you need to help with in the dark. But it can also prevent a fight. The blinding light a tactical flashlight offers will immediately cause most people to stop and cover their eyes. And what that does is it allows you to get away from that attacker quickly. You could utilize the rugged construction of a tactical flashlight and use it as a striking weapon. Most tactical flashlights have sharp edges, sometimes referred to as DNA collectors, but they will also enhance the flashlight to be utilized as a striking tool. And the great thing is they're cheap. You can find some for $1 at Walmart. Now, you could obviously go and spend a couple $100 on the top end stuff, but you can go anywhere between $1 and $100. You can find whatever size and lumens and quality that you're looking for. So guys, go check out our number 3 on the list, a tactical flashlight. Coming in at number 2 on the list is a tourniquet. Guys, if you're going to only commit to carrying one piece of medical rescue gear, a tourniquet must be it. Most people don't realize that one of the biggest killers in battle or just in accidents in general is hemorrhaging from an appendage. You can die as quickly from a severed femoral artery in a leg as you can from one in the chest. You can bleed to death in less than 2 minutes and lose consciousness in less than 30 seconds. Realistically, the only way to keep an individual alive after sustaining such an injury is to stop the bleeding with the use of a tourniquet. If you have 30 seconds or less before you or another injured party loses consciousness, you need to have that tourniquet on your person, not in your car. So guys, like I said, if you're going to only carry one piece of medical gear, check out our number 2 on the list, a tourniquet. Before we unveil our number 1 choice, we invite you to click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and click that notification bell. That way you'll get notified every time we have a new video come out. Now, back to the countdown. And coming in at number 1 on our list for EDC items that you must have is a pocket knife. Guys, in any survival situation, a knife is the most essential tool that you could probably have. It's hard to recreate a strong, sharp blade in a survival situation. And when you're talking about an EDC loadout or kit, one of your biggest priorities has got to be self-defense. Many of the situations that you will need for self-defense are because you're threatened by other people. But having a good knife is really going to be handy and a huge advantage for defending yourself, especially if you know how to use it. But here's the thing, it's not just for self-defense. It could also be useful for any other survival situation, whether you're trapped in a car or rescuing somebody. You can cut the seatbelt away with it. You can start a fire with a knife, build a shelter. You can hunt with it. You can fish with it. The great thing about knives is they're cheap. And there are also so many different sizes and styles, whether they're folding knives or auto blades or whatever, you can find for very cheap, all the way up to several $100s. There's going to be a knife for everybody for the size, the weight, the type of blades, and everything else. So guys, the most essential tool that you can carry every single day if you're not going to carry a firearm is a knife. Well, now that we know that you've subscribed to the channel and hit that notification bell, what we're asking you to do now is to hit that thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. But you know what? We honestly prefer the thumbs up button. After that, come down below here and make sure you leave us a comment. We love hearing your feedback and we love to hear what you think about the video. Are you in the mood for some more awesome two-way content? Then make sure you check out our website, ghosttacticalproductions.com, and check us out on all of our social media platforms. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to be notified about our latest videos. Till next time, Semper Fi.